The submarine Pasopati KRI 410 was the first submarine in Indonesia. The submarine was given by the Soviet Union to President Sukarno government in 1952. The submarine operated until 1990 and now became a monument in Surabaya. The submarine has a length of 76.6 meter and width of 6.6 meter and a height of 15.3 meters. Submarine is equipped with 6 torpedo tubes and various weapons. The submarine played an important role in history of Indonesia, especially during the confrontation with Malaysia and the Trikora operation in Papua. The submarine is now open for public visit and education. It is a symbol of the pride and glory of the Indonesian Navy. Before Mount Castle was built, there was an interesting story from one of the captain of the KRI Pasopati submarine. It is said that one night, Derajat Budianto, who was a former KRI Pasopati 410, dreamed that he was ordered by the KSAL, Chief of Naval Staff, to take this submarine to Kalimas, and it turned one the dream came true. He was assigned to display the submarine next to Surabaya Plaza. The method is to divide the submarine into 16 parts, then put them back together at PT PAL Indonesia, which are then taken to the museum location to be reassembled until they become the complete form the submarine. Brief history of Mount Castle and KRI Pasopati 410. The Surabaya Submarine Monument is a historical monument that displays a real submarine, namely the KRI Pasopati 410. This submarine is a part of the Eastern Division Fleet of the Indonesian Navy and is a type of SS Whiskey class, which was built in Vladivostok, Russia in 1952. Before Mount Castle was built, there was an interesting story from one of the captain of the KRI Pasopati ship. It is said that one night, Derajat Budianto, who was a former KKM KRI Pasopati 410, dreamed that he was ordered by the KSAL, Chief of Naval Staff, to take this submarine to Kalimas, and it turns out that dream came true. He was assigned to display the submarine next to Surabaya Plaza. The method is to divide the KRI Pasopati 410 into 16 parts, then put them back together at PT PAL Surabaya, which are then taken to the museum location to be reassembled until they become the complete form of the KRI Pasupati submarine. The KRI Pasupati 410 submarine has been operating since 1962. Its main task is to destroy enemy lines, anti-shipping, carry out reconnaissance, and also carry out sneak attacks or silent raid. Then, this ship was decommissioned by the Indonesian Navy on January 26, 1990. Then it was converted into a submarine monument to commemorate the struggle of Operation Tripura, or Three Commander of the People, namely the military operation launched by Indonesia to fight the Dutch occupation in West Irian. The construction of Mountcastle itself began on July 1, 1995, with the laying of the first foundation stone by the governor of East Java, Basuki Sudirman, together with the commander of the Eastern Regional Fleet Command, Pangko Maritime, TNI Rear Admiral Laksda Gofar Suwarno. 3 years later, it was inaugurated by the Chief of Staff of the Indonesian Navy, KSAR, Admiral TNI Arif Kus Haryadi on June 27, 1998, and opened to the public on July 15, 1998. Mountcastle is now the largest submarine monument in the Asian region. Ownership and management of Mountcastle is now under the responsibility of the Indonesian Navy and managed by the Naval Cooperative Center.
The technology and weapon system in the submarine KRI Pasupati 410 are as follows. The submarine is powered by 2 diesel engines and 2 electric motors that drive 2 propellers. The diesel engine are used for surface navigation, while the electric motor are used for underwater propulsion. The submarine has a battery system that stores electricity for the electric motor and other equipment. The submarine is equipped with 12 steam torpedoes. 12 steam torpedoes that can be fired from 6 torpedo tubes. 4 of the tubes are located in the bow and 2 are located in the stem. The torpedoes have a range of 10 kilometers and a speed of 40 knots. They can be quit by wire or by acoustic homing. The submarine has a Timer 5L active sonar system that emits sound waves to detect and track target. The submarine also has a Phoenix passive sonar system that listens to the sound of other vessels and objects in the water. The sonar system can operate in different modes and frequencies depending on the situation. The submarine has a flag radar that can scan the surface and the air of threats. The radar has a range of 30 kilometers and can detect target as small as 2 meters in diameter. The radar can also be used for navigation and communication. The submarine has a naked electronic countermeasure ECM suite that can jam or device enemy radars, sonars, and communication. The ECM suite consists of several devices such as decoys, jammers, flares, and CAF that can create false signal or noise to confuse or distract the enemy.
The Surabaya Submarine Monument offers various adequate facilities for visitors, starting from a large parking area to a clean prayer room or musola. This monument is located on Jalan Pemuda, Embong Kaliasin, District Genteng, Surabaya. The following is a series of other facilities available: toilets, photo place, umbrellas, both souvenirs, swimming pool, water recreation on the Kalimas River, health protocol facilities.
The Submarine Monument, or Mount Castle for short, is an educational tourist destination designed using a real submarine, namely the KRI Pasopati 410. This ship was a Republic of Indonesian Navy fleet made by the Soviet Union in 1952. This submarine took part in the Battle of the Aru Sea, namely the sea battle between Indonesia and the Netherlands in the Arafura Sea in Maluku in 1962 to liberate West Irian from Dutch occupation.